Article 6, Section 13. Section 13. No senator or member of House of the Representative may hold any other office. So as a senator or as a member of the House of Representative, you must hold your own office and not the other office of the employment of the government or any subdivisions like Department of Education, Department of like departments or any agency or instrumentality thereof, including government-owned or controlled corporations or their subsidiaries. So including that any senator or other member of the House of Representative must not have any other office. So he can have any other office, but he must forfeit his seat. Neither shall he be appointed to any other office which may have been created or the emoluments thereof increased during the term for which he was elected. So the way we talk about emoluments, it talks about the pay of his term for which he was selected. So, I thank you.